right, so we have two hydropoles. All right, if I draw the base right here, just have to go down a little bit more. So we know the horizontal distance between these two hydropoles is 86 meters, and the angle of elevation to the top of the poles are 14 degrees and 17 degrees, right? And as measured from a point halfway between the poles. So that's in the middle here. So if this is 86, right, that's 43 and 43 here. Okay, so the angle of elevation, we have these two triangles. One of them is going to be, right, 14 degrees, and one of them 17 degrees. So what is the difference in the height of the hydroplanes to the nearest tenth of a meter? So that means we're interested in this value right here. This is the difference between the two heights. Okay, so let's calculate the height of this one and the height of this one, right? Here, according to this angle, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent side. So tangent of 17 is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Same for here, right? Tangent of 14 is equal to the opposite over adjacent. Right? So if I isolate for h1, I just have to multiply both sides by 43. Okay, and here, multiply both sides by 43 as well. You get 43 tan of 14. So the difference will be h1 minus h2, right? This is assuming this one is the larger one. So if you get a negative number, it means that you flipped it. So just take the positive answer. Okay, so here is 43 tan of 17 minus 43 tan of 14, and you'll get approximately 2.4 meters. Okay, so then to the nearest meter, this is just 2 meters.